guys, right now I am filming in my car because the lighting is better here. I don't know why I keep on looking this side when the camera is that side. So yeah, this is my first video, so just bear with me, and I probably am going to keep looking on that side, so just deal with it. But I'm gonna try to look on this side. So yeah, today I'm gonna show you how I do this look. This is my everyday look when I go to work. And if you're a tan skin like me, I'll show you some products that you can use so you don't look weird or gray with the makeup on. So yeah, so let's get started. So to start my makeup off, I'm just gonna brush my eyebrows. I don't really put any products in it because I don't think I need anything on my eyebrows. Just so that it's not so messy, I'm using Fenty Beauty and the shade of 350, and this is how I put my foundation on. I just dab it there, and then I'm just gonna do this. I don't really put much on my forehead and my chin. I always put it under my eyes. And I'm gonna take my beauty blender and just dab it on my face. And I just use whatever leftover products that's in my beauty blender and just put it on my forehead and my hairline. The next thing I do is my eyeshadow. I'm just going to use a brush. I only use one brush for my eyeshadow because I don't like using so many brushes and then I have to wash them. And I'm going to use Tarte. This is my absolute favorite eyeshadow palette because it has all the colors I need and I don't really use a lot of colors. So for now, I'm just going to take this and this, just mix it like that. And I always start from the outer corner just to build up the color. See, this is why I like this palette because it's so pigmented. Build it up and brush it. I usually leave this part out for now, so I'm just gonna blend this. You can always use your fingers. I'm gonna show you. I just mix the two colors on my fingers, and I'm just gonna dab on the side. So if you don't have a brush, this is what you can do. See, it basically gives you the same effect. Okay, now for the inner corners, I'm going to take like a very light brown color because I'm brown, so I'm going to take a light brown. Don't use white because if you're tan skin and you use white, it's going to look very gray. So I'm just going to take bold, this one. And I usually just dab it in the areas that I have no colors. Sometimes I just go with this, or if I want to glam it up a bit, I'm going to take this shade in Glam. It's a shimmery gold color. I'm just going to use my fingers, dab it a little bit, and I'm just going to dab like here in between my corner and my inner eyes. So I'm just going to dab it like that. It's going to look super shimmery, but don't worry about it. Okay, it's going to look weird now, but trust me, it will look good in a while. So I'm going to take the brush again and just brush everything together. Whatever product is left here, I'm just going to brush underneath the eye. It's okay to go outside because you can always clean that up later. So, yep, I'm done with my eyeshadow. Now I'm gonna put my eyeliner. This is my favorite eyeliner. It's super cheap. It's from Watson and it's from Maybelline. I like it because it's so easy to apply and it doesn't smudge. This is how I put my eyeliner. I'm just gonna pull the side of my eyes and I'm just gonna swipe it in like one stroke. I'm not sure if you can see me, but I'm blind, so I gotta go like super near to the mirror. Okay, here's a super cool trick. If you ever, like, for example, I'm just gonna smudge. If you smudge your eyeliner, don't worry about it. I'm gonna show you a trick. So just take a little bit of the body lotion, use a cloth, a cotton bud, or just a cotton pad. I'm just gonna use a cloth. So I'm just gonna take like a tiny bit of the cloth and just swipe a little bit of the lotion on it, and you just wipe it off. Just pull it one stroke and it's gone. See? Now that my eyeliner is done, there's a little bit of product there, so I'm just gonna clear up a little bit of this mess. I'm gonna put eyeliner on my under eye too. This is also from Maybelline. It's a pencil eyeliner. I usually do my underlid eyeline from the middle of my eye to the outer corner. I do this because I just don't like the full look on myself because I will look so dark. So yeah, I like to do it from the middle of my eye. I don't usually do this, but I don't know, I just feel like doing it today. Yep, and then I'm gonna go with my mascara. I love this mascara. I'm using Lancome. This is the mascara. Lancome, my favorite. I don't like thick mascara, so this is not thick at all and it doesn't clump up. So I like to brush it this way, like just a zigzag way, so that my eyelashes doesn't stick to each other. I don't always use a mascara just because it's so hard to take it off, but Lancome's mascara is super easy to take off and it doesn't smudge under the eye or anything when you take it off. So this is perfect. If you actually smudge your mascara under the eye, just take a cotton bud and just wipe it off after you've done with the body lotion. So I'm done with my eyes. I'm gonna go with my lips now. I usually use two colors for my lips just because I can't find the right shade for my skin color, so I always mix my lip color. So I'm going to use this. I'm using the shade Velvet Passion 317. So yeah, so this is the color. I'm just gonna do my lip line. Use the tip. I have weird lips, guys. I don't know where my lip line is. With is Velvet Matte from Victoria's Secret. This is my current favorite lipstick. It doesn't transfer and it lasts super long. So I'm just gonna put on my inner side of the lips like that. There's a lot of product in this lipstick. Just use my fingers. I take the color of my lip line, the darker shade, and just push it up. In circular motion, I just mix it together. And then just gonna dab. I don't have a blusher, so what I usually do is once I dab my lipstick, so I have this, I'll just put it on my cheeks. I take a blending brush, just blend it away, and I clean up the edges. Lastly, to actually set my face and also my lip. This is one thing I like to do after I apply my lips, so that it doesn't transfer or it doesn't smudge. I just take baby powder, just put a little bit of baby powder here, use my fingers, baby powder, and just put it on my lips. Once you put it on your lips, literally if you touch your lips, it doesn't even transfer no more. It doesn't transfer when you touch your lips, so that's why I put baby powder all the time. And then I just dab powder on my face. If you want some glow, just take your eyeshadow and just dab here a little bit for the glow. I don't usually do this because I don't see any point of doing this. I don't use a brush or anything, I just use my fingers. So